Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV's most amazing news for our viewer. In a recent study, UCLA health researchers identified and synthesized a molecule that successfully restored cognitive functions in mice exhibiting Alzheimer's disease symptoms by reactivating the brain's memory circuitry. If this compound demonstrates similar effects in humans, it could represent a groundbreaking Alzheimer's treatment with the unique ability to rejuvenate memory and cognition, according to the study's author. There is really nothing like this on the market or experimentally that has been shown to do this, said study lead author Dr. Istvan Modi, a professor of neurology and physiology at UCLA Health. The molecule DDL920 works differently from recent FDA-approved drugs for Alzheimer's disease such as isoniazid and aducanumab, which remove harmful plaque that accumulates in the brains of Alzheimer's disease patients. While removing this plaque has been shown to slow the rate of cognitive decline, it does not restore the memory and cognitive impairments. They leave behind a brain that is maybe plaqueless, but all the pathological alteration in the circuits and the mechanisms in the neurons are not corrected, Modi said. In the study published in the journal, The Proceedings of the National Academy of Science, UCLA researchers led by Dr. Istvan Modi and Dr. Varghese John, professor of neurology and director of the Drug Discovery Laboratory at the Mary S. Aston Center for Alzheimer's Disease Research and Care, sought to find a compound that could figuratively flip the switch back on in the brain's memory circuitry. Similar to a traffic signal, the brain fires of electric signals at different rhythms to start and stop various functions. Gamma oscillations are some of the highest frequency rhythms and have been shown to orchestrate brain circuits underlying cognitive processes and working memory. The type of memory used to remember a phone number. Patients with early Alzheimer's disease symptoms such as mild cognitive impairment have been shown to have reduced gamma oscillations, Modi said. Other studies attempted to use neuromodulation techniques to stimulate gamma oscillation to restore memory. Auditory, visual or transcranial magnetic stimulations at a frequency of 40 Hz, similar to the frequency of a cat's work to dissolve plaques in the brain, but again did not show notable cognitive enhancements, Modi said. In this latest study, Modi and his team sought to tackle the problem from a different perspective. If they could not jumpstart these memory circuits using external tools, perhaps there was a way to trigger these electrical rhythms from the inside using a molecule. Specifically, they needed a compound to target certain fast-firing neurons known as the paravalbumin interneurons that are critical in generating gamma oscillations, therefore memory and cognitive functions too. However, certain chemical receptors in these neurons that respond to the chemical messengers known as GABA work like brake pedals to reduce the gamma oscillations entrained by these neurons. Modi, John and their team identified the compound DDL920 to antagonize these receptors, allowing the neurons to sustain more powerful gamma oscillations. To test whether this would actually result in improved memory and cognition, researchers used mice that were genetically modified to have symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. Beyond this exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.